How do you like everything?
I'm very satisfied. Wow, I can't believe you didn't lose any hair at all. So I haven't seen these guys in 20 years.
They said they can't believe you didn't lose any hair at all.
It went really smooth. You know,
Awesome.
2 days later, it was great.
Excellent, excellent. So there was no hair, just really cool stuff. And what we did is we were able to take them all the way around. I'm just going to kind of do a quick little profile on you here, so you can kind of see it from all the different angles here. And what would you say to someone who was in your shoes and was thinking about doing this?
Don't even think about it. Just go ahead and do it. It's like, this guy's great.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi there. Here we are with our patient Ali, and we did a max harvest procedure on him.
I love it. It's honestly the biggest boost to your confidence. I have nothing to really fear. I go out, tie my hair up, I let it down. Pretty much happy with the result.
Basically what we did is we went through and we completely strengthened the entire hairline. This was just super thin all the way throughout.
For me to be sitting here and doing this video, I just hope that it helps out, and I hope that it helps other people.
That's the suture line right there.
People take the red eye in.
I always show the whole thing so there's no smoke and mirrors in here.
Just do it. I'm telling you, you just gotta do it. Literally worth every penny.
Congratulations, buddy. Thank you for doing the video for
Oh yeah,
us.
of
We
course.
really appreciate it.
The difference. It went really smooth. You know, I took like 1 pill the next day, and I said, you know what, I don't even need it. Took it 2 days later, it was great.
It's really cool stuff. And what we did is we were able to take them all the way around. I'm just going to kind of do a quick little profile on you here, and on you here, and just kind of tilt your head all the way back forward, please. Excellent.
Don't even think about it. Just go ahead and do it. It's like, this guy's great.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Here we are with my patient Kareem.
This is the best result I could ever see.
Are you happy with your results?
Yes, I'm super happy actually.
What does your family think about your results?
They are so happy actually for me. No pain at all.
Nothing.
Nothing
Okay.
at all.
All right,
Yes,
all
great
right.
experience, great stuff, great people.
Awesome,
Everything is
man.
amazing.
This is the suture line right here. See that little line there? So anyways, it looks amazing.
Thank you so much. If you just want to find a supernatural hairline and supernatural shape, it's gonna be just Dr. Bolton. An artist, not a doctor. For me, he's an artist.
Correct. Well, thank you very much for
Thank you.
doing this
Thank
video
you.
for us. Congratulations on the awesome results.
Thank you.
And
Dr.
thanks for
Bolton.
flying in from Egypt for us.
Yes, thank you so much.
Here's what's called the Class 6. How was the process for you?
It was excellent. I'm very pleased with it. You did a great job. You know, the recovery was awesome.
And now, so you're back for more hair?
Yes.
Okay, it's his hair. It's all nice and natural and soft. This right here is the suture line. If you can see that little fine trace line. He healed absolutely amazing.
I think the procedure is very simple, very good. I had several of my friends came and did the procedure. They enjoyed it. They're very happy. They're very satisfied.
Thank you
very
very
happy
much.
with you. Thank you, doctor.
We're going to do another great job for
Good
you.
to see you as well.